Hello, myself Gayatri Vasudevani, and today's topic is SQL clauses. Basically, the SQL is the structured query language, which is the very important part of the database management system. SQL plays a very important role in the database management system. In database, we can save our data and that data is handled or that data is particularly managed or organized in the database management system, and that is the main importance of that. So in this SQL, the operations performed are addition of the data, reading of that particular data, update and deletion of that data. But for doing this main functions or for performing these operations on our data, we have to use some queries, and that queries, by using that queries or by firing that queries, we can perform the operations like addition of the data, deletion of the data, reading of the data, as well as the updation of the data by using these queries. And SQL clause is the one part of that SQL queries. So this clauses plays a very important role in the queries. So let's see these clauses one by one. Where clause. The function of this where clause is it filters the data according to the conditions. Next is the group by clause. By using group by, we can aggregate the data according to one or more columns. That is, splitting the data to the different chunks or buckets, where each bucket has one key and a list of rows that match that key. Next one is the having clause. Having clause is having the function that it filters the aggregate data which is used to filter out some buckets. Next is the select clause. Select clause selects the data after filtering and grouping. It selects the data after filtering and grouping. It uses the column names, aggregations and subqueries inside it. Next is the order by clause. The order by clause sorts the entire result set using the columns aggregate functions, even if not part of selected data. Next is the limit clause. Limit clause discards all the rows but first X rows of the query's result. So these are some SQL clauses and their functions. That's it. Thank you.